What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am feeling much better, and yeah, it feels good to be able to talk. I still have a little bit of a cough here and there. If I do, I'll just edit that bad boy out, because that is how we do things here. We cut out all the nonsense stuff so we can get to all the goodies which we have right here. So huge shout out to Malko Protectors. That is what this episode is about. They reached out, wanted to send me some of their products to do a review over. Of course, if you haven't checked them out, I'll have their Instagram down below, but they also are in the business of protecting your investment, whether it's a treasure hunt, Funkos, DVDs, you name it, they have it on there. But in this episode, of course, since we are driven by diecast and diecast of many variations, this is the one to choose. And I do like that it comes flat like that, so they won't get damaged. It is already opened a little bit, so hopefully none of those got any nicks or chips in it. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what we got from Malko Protectors. All right, here we go. Looks like they are kind of pop-ups. So yeah, they just come folded, you pop it up. Looks like it has a nice little protective film on it. And yeah, so this one should be the mainline size, and then they did say they were gonna send some of the premiums. I think these are the premium sizes. These are the mainline sizes. And yeah, let's go ahead and see how easy it is to assemble this. All right, I went ahead and just grabbed my tripod. So yeah, they are flat, and then you just open it up. And it looks like it says Malko on here, so this might be the top, this might be the bottom, and it looks like this goes up, if I've seen the video correct. That kind of holds the card in place. Snaps in there like that. Nice. Alright, so this little tab in there, you guys can see it. There's a little tab in there. I think that's supposed to be at an angle. That way it can hold the card on there. Alright, so we'll just bend this. I think it's supposed to go like towards the corner. I don't think there's a real right way to it. But we'll take off the little protective film on there. Every bit of this is actually wrapped in this protective film, which is pretty sweet. Man, look at that. That is super clear. Wow, that is really nice. Make sure that little corner's bent down, that way the blister can fit there. Go ahead and lock that in. Let's go ahead and put this card in here, since this is the movie version. Oh, nice. Look at that, it holds it up nicely too. Then you can do the same thing here. Kind of have that holding the card on there. Get this nice and situated. Alright, I'm not going to lock it in just yet. There you go, you got Malko on top. Look how crystal clear that is. That's pretty durable. It looks so much better without the protective film, because it kind of gave like it was going to look a little scratched or hazed. That is solid, man, and it holds it in there. Look at that. Holds it in there nicely. The only thing it doesn't have is like a peg hook, but you could also probably drill into that or use that as the little tack for the wall if that's what you want to do. But I mean, most of these are going to be for displaying like on a stand or on a shelf. This is a good one for my daughter's little Barbie car right here. So nice. Let's go ahead and lock that in, because this isn't coming out anyways. There we go. Once it's locked, man, it's pretty locked in. It's not going anywhere. Sweet. This right here should be for the premiums. And like I said, we do have the premium casting right here of the 2020 GT500. Now, I'm not sure if it's going to fit anything else other than the Hot Wheels, but if we can find a similar one in size comparison to this, it should fit. So let's go ahead and see what else we have. All right, so I'm not too sure if this would fit it or not. Probably not. No. Looks like it's only going to be for the premium line, because right where this notch is makes it a little bit too long. So this is going to be a Hot Wheels one anyways, so we'll go ahead and utilize that one. So instead of using this one for the protector, I'm going to go ahead and utilize this one because the Golf 69 Boss 302 is definitely one I want to protect and keep just like this. So I do have it loose anyways. This one deserves to be a little bit more protected. So let's go ahead and open this, and pop this bad boy open and see. So let's go ahead and start taking this off. Man, that is so satisfying. Look at that. All right, so best thing to do is take that off before you open up anything. So, man, that is super easy to do. Wow, I like that. Let's go ahead and slide this bad boy in there. Oh yeah, like a glove. All right, there we go. Now, if you want, you can have that little lip kind of in front of the card to where the plastic is covering the name to kind of really hold it in place. And then you just get your little tabs. Hold that in there. This one holds the top. Oh man, look at that. That is beautiful. God, that's so nice too. And I don't have to worry about the card getting wet, have moisture, anything like that. And if you want to, you can put the little moisture pack in there to prevent any warping of any type. So this is actually a pretty sweet gig. Real quick, I actually put them upside down. Malko actually goes on the bottom, and you can see the short tabs hold the base of the card much better. And then of course the long one holds the top corner right there. So I just had it upside down. Either way it held it, but this one actually holds it much more sturdy inside the case. So there we go. Don't do like me, put it in the right way and it holds it even better. So nice. So there we go. Mainline, premium. These cases are actually pretty freaking awesome. And like I said, you can put some moisture packs in there to protect the card from any type of moisture, maybe some heat. I don't think they're UV protected, so I wouldn't keep these in the sun anyways, because the blisters itself will start to turn yellow, start to crack, and then of course you're gonna have to take it off your card. But if you're like me and you have those in your collection that you want to protect, this is the way to go. Especially I can see you guys out there who are collecting all the chases for the premiums to display them this way. It's an awesome way to do it. And of course, like this one, the Barbie movie card, I think it's pretty cool. My daughter loves this one, so I want to protect this for her, and this is going to do the job. And I can stack them up and display them how I want to. So huge thanks to Malko Protectors for sending me these to do a review. We have a few extras they sent, and I got to look in my collection to figure out which other ones need to go in these bad boys. That way we can keep them nice and crisp. Huge thanks to Malko Protectors for reaching out and sending me these so I can utilize them for the collection, and of course let you guys know what's out there. So if you also collect Funkos, DVDs, whatever you want to collect, check out their Instagram page. They have a huge library of what they make. Protect your investments, protect your favorite castings, the ones you want to keep on cards, your supers. This is where to go, guys. I'll have all their info down below. And of course, hopefully you enjoyed this episode. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up, big old thumbs up. And of course, until next time, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.